Okay, so I really apologize for this video coming in very late. I apologize big time. I'm very sorry. So I'll just get straight to the point, not to waste your time. So the first thing you want to do is you get over to your Chrome browser. Now you've asked yourself a series of questions. You've been trying to put yourself in your customer's position. You're asking yourself, why would he choose pink? Why would he want pink canvas? Now that you know that there's a demand for pink canvas, you're asking yourself, why would he choose pink? What's the reason behind his intentions? Boss, greetings, sir. How about the price? You're asking yourself a couple of questions, but now you want to get real answers from those questions. So the best way to get answers is to go and check those who have actually bought something like that. Check their reviews. Check what they've said. The best thing to do is to go to that place, check the review, check what they've said, check join places that particular topic is being talked about. And lucky for me, Brufred has actually explained to you guys that we use a couple of websites, but me, I just say generally we use social media for this. So the first place I have to go to if I want to sell a product, if I want to want to know about a product, the first thing I go to is Amazon. That's always the best site to go to. You have Amazon. Yeah, I already have this. So Amazon. So when you're over to Amazon, let's assume I want to sell a book on something on copywriting. Yeah, exactly. Let's talk about copywriting now. So let me see. I go to something and I search for I think the highest record when we checked our SEMrush was what is copywriting. So let's just check what is copywriting exactly. So what is copywriting? So we see what is copywriting is the beginner's guide. So we really have 8 reviews for this one. I always prefer you go to the one that has a lot of reviews. Now, building a story brand, clarify your message so customers will listen. Now, okay, we don't know if this one is not actually, I don't know if this one is a beginner or something. So let's check it. What the fuck is copywriting for beginners? We really have 2 reviews. As you can see, 2 reviews. You don't want that one. So online copywriting basics and everything. Nope, no better review. Copywriting made simple. How to write powerful and persuasive copy that sells. 204 reviews. So let's click on this now. So the first thing you have to go to is go and check the reviews. Check those that have bought it. You want to know their intentions. You want to know what they've been through. Now you want to know why. So you ask the question: why did they buy this course? Why did they buy it? What was their intention? What is this? What is that? Please, ma. Yes, ma. So you want to be sure of this thing. So the next thing you go to is go and check the reviews. So when you check the reviews, you see you have customer reviews here. Click it. We have 204 global ratings. And in my own opinion, I always prefer you start with the 3-star, the 3rd star. I love the 1-star, but there are times if you check the 1-star, most times it consists of people that they are not satisfied at all with their purchase. So it's always best you check all the reviews anyways, so you can know why. Because when someone drop a 1-star review, it must really be annoyed. So you want to know the reason why it's annoyed with that review, so that when you're going to write a copy, you're going to address that copy. You're going to address that objection in your copy. So let's check the 1-star review. Great book, arrived in poor condition. Interesting. That's if it's a physical product. But since we're not selling physical products, let's cancel this one out. Let's check the second review. 2.5 stars. Not what I expected. 2.5 stars. This wasn't exactly what I expected. It's geared more toward those in the advertising industry versus writing in general. There are some tips in the book that could be helpful to writers, bloggers, but it isn't as useful as I hoped. Disclaimer: I received a complimentary copy from NetGary, but I wasn't required to leave a positive review. Okay. So let's check another one again. Long-winded, bad structure, and zero formatting. So this is just people that actually went through the book, but this one that you are seeing now is not what we want. You are asking yourself, why did he buy the book? Why did he want to learn copywriting? What is his experience? You are asking yourself these questions, but this ones they are getting now, this is exactly what we want. Could do with some editing itself if you are not into awkward. For example, now if you're actually going to write a book on what is copywriting. For my own case now, we're talking about copywriting course. I want to teach people copywriting in form of a course. So you ask me, I'm going for writing a copywriting book now. This one will make sense. I can easily say that. So now I know that this is what my customer does not want. They don't want something that is long-winded. They don't want something that has bad structure. They don't want something that is zero formatting. So take it or leave it. There are people out there that they have the same intentions like this person does. Now that okay, only one person found this useful, helpful. Now you can see that there's also one person that found this particular review helpful. Now if more people come to know of this thing now, before you know it, you start seeing like 205 people. I find this helpful. So when you see all these things, that's what gist you to know that even in just one comment, hundreds and thousands of people will find that particular comment useful. Let's go and look for something that's very, very common. Let me see. Let me show you. I will digress a little bit, then I'll come back. Okay, let me see. Okay, we'll come back here, Sha. Let me search for something that is trending. Something trending. Let's see. See, H1 trending. Now let's go and check the reviews. So I'll show you what I'm saying. Somebody will say something, and yet everybody, a lot of people will find that particular stuff helpful. Let's go and check. Plot information. Let's go and check the reviews. Let's check the reviews. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, customer reviews 144. It's not even much. I'm looking for one that has a lot of people that will look at it. But let's see now. See. Let's look at this comment now. For example, we have buy the one with the handle. Now super cute and everything. So this person say 2 people found it helpful. Something else I'm looking for. Let me see. Health and household. Let me see this one. Sorry, I'm trying to look for the one that has. Sorry, you can see what I'm saying. That just when you think just one comment that you think is irrelevant can have hundreds and thousands of people that will actually be like, yeah, they find this useful. It guides them. They love it. Thank God. Okay, let's go to baby and childcare. Let's check. Let's see personal care. Let me click on personal care. Okay, let's see this one. No, go back. This one we have how many reviews? 12 reviews. We have 8,000. Good. See this one now. We have 8,000 plus reviews now. This is even interesting. So let's go and check the reviews. Oh, good evening, man. Yes, man. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Good night, man. So let's go and check the reviews. Sorry about that, please. Let's go check the reviews. So I'm taking my time to probably explain everything to you. It may take a while anyways, but let's deal with it. Let's see what's the reviews. Now we have 8,949 global ratings. So let's see. We already have a lot of 5-star reviews, but let's start with the let's start with the 4-star. Yeah. Now see. Okay, I'm coming. This is this something I'm looking for. People found this useful. Now exactly. See this point now. Safe and effective, but white and greasy rather. But white and greasy. See, I bought a large tube of this sunscreen for a trip to Mexico. After reading about it on the EWG site for safe sunscreens, I like that it had a low blah 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 blah. Look at underneath it, you see 47 people actually found this useful. So just when you think that one point doesn't make any sense, you're listening that people find it useful. That's why I say we copywriters, we test. We're never sure of what we want. So what we do is we take a lot of reviews, a lot of things that people are saying, a lot of answers to our questions. So you can see that you're not just going to go and do research like a fool, but instead you are asking questions just like that lawyer that I explained to you. I said we copywriters, but just like a lawyer. When a client meets a lawyer, oh lawyer, see what happened to me. The lawyer start asking the client questions like, okay, what's up, what's wrong?